IT as a segment has undergone a massive change from just being a back-end support for companies to now seen as a driver not only for cost efficiencies but also to reinvent business models and to create superior customer experiences. And this is all done by the adoption of AI, analytics, and robotics. So if you look at IT sector, this transformation is seen not only for one or two industries but across the breadth, whether be it banks, oil and gas, power, retail, pharma, or even auto. So if you look at the overall sector, after remaining in a narrow range for about 2 years from 2015 to mid 2017, sector has given approximately 40% returns. With continued thrust on these new technologies, strong balance sheets, and free cash flows, the sector has the potential to grow over the medium to long term. And this is despite the caveat of legacy cannibalization that we see. Investing into a sectoral fund like Tata Digital India Fund, which has a mandate to invest in the technology companies, is an ideal way to get an exposure in the space. Investors who are looking to gain from this increasing penetration of the digital-led technologies, as well as investors who are looking to have some exposure to an export-oriented sector, must look at investing in funds like Tata Digital India Fund. For any mutual fund, and especially sectoral fund, one must have 2 to 3 years of investment horizon, as these sectoral funds are inherently cyclical in nature. So while the new technologies and the wave of adoption we are seeing does excite us, but one must keep in mind the sustainability and the scalability of them. So our approach is to invest with a long-term view, and we prefer high-quality names which has some revenue stability and also the capability to invest in new technologies and platforms. If we look at our fund, we have invested in core IT companies and we do not add any non-core companies to the fund. Well, this may not be true necessarily for all our peers. And as a philosophy, we follow growth at reasonable price and our investments are made from a long-term view. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.